I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply, and I'm always, when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Nasir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish both of you, inshallah, for a long, long time to come. Thank you so much. मनोज साहब, मैं वो नेगोशिएशन वाले सीन से बाहर नहीं निकल पाया हूँ मैं अभी तक के. वहाँ से बाहर नहीं. बात करनी है तो बात करें. हमें भी बात ही करनी. खेल गए सर. वो
थैंक यू. मतलब मुझे भी पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा लगेगा लोगों को, बट जनरली मैं तो बस कोशिश किया था कि नेगोशिएशन की तरह की जाए, और क्या बोलूँ. थैंक यू.
ऐसा है कि पिताजी डांट भी रहे हैं, एक बॉस अथॉरिटी से बात भी कर रहा है, बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं उसमें.
आ गए होंगे, मतलब मेरे को बोलते हैं. मैं तो जैसे हमारे गुरुजन हैं, उन लोगों जो शिक्षा दी है कि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ो, स्क्रिप्ट इज द बाइबल, मैं तो वही पढ़ता रहता हूँ, और वही मेरा. बाकी लेयर आ गए, कैसे आ गए, कितने आ गए, वो छोड़ देता हूँ मैं.
क्या करेंगे $200 मिलियन का? पाकिस्तानी बोलिए, पाकिस्तान में खर्च करेंगे ना.
इनफैक्ट ये जो लिखाई की भी बात हो रही है तुषार, जो इतने सारे लेयर्स आपके इतने सारे ट्रैक्स चल रहे हैं, टू बी एबल, कितने ड्राफ्ट्स बने भाई इस प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत में?
इस सवाल का जवाब हम नहीं देंगे.
जीरा कहाँ हुआ है?
संजीदा तो नहीं हो सकता है मनोज भाई साथ में. तो दो अलग कहानियां चल रही होती हैं. एक कहानी जो हम लोगों की आपस में चल रही होती है, दूसरी जहाँ कैमरा होता है. तो हाँ,
उसके बारे में चर्चा यहाँ नहीं करेंगे हम.
कई बार ऐसा होता था कि I'm talking to नसीर भाई, पंकज भाई, explaining the scene to them, और पंकज भाई सवाल पूछते हैं और नसीर भाई सुनते रहते हैं. उनकी आंखें जा रही होती हैं. पीछे में ये दो कैरेक्टर खड़े होते थे, ये और
इसीलिए पूछा.
और ये मुझे देख के ना ऐसे मुस्कुराते रहते थे. मजा आ रहा है तुमको?
और बनाओ इंटेंस सिनेमा.
मेरे पास उस स्माइल की फोटो है, वो मैं बाद में इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दूंगा.
Bilkul, we'll wait for that, of course. And I'll come back to each and every one of you once again. Dear ma'am, I'm going to come to you with my next question. You know, media is known as the fourth pillar of democracy. The responsibility that media has to report the truth, not to spread rumors, not to let rumors spread. It is a responsibility. Pun intended. Tell me something, ma'am. Back in '99, that character, what it went through, and the way you have portrayed that character, it is something that a lot of our friends would like to take a leaf out of.
I think what mattered the most to me was Shalini's integrity.
True, ma'am.
And that's evident in the way she responds to the situation, the way it unfolds. And I think it's a dilemma that many of my friends, journalist friends, are dealing with till this day. Many of them who were a part of broadcast channels and newspapers today run their own independent YouTube channels. And I was very intrigued about what that time must have been like for a woman in press and for a woman in power in press. And what was also exciting was the relationship, the jugalbandi between Nandini and Shalini, their rapport, their exchanges, and the very gentle but important insights that their exchanges bring to the story as it unfolds.
Everything that you've done in all these years, आपको मैंने personally जब देखा है कभी थिएटर के बाहर बातचीत करते हुए, आपको मैं जानता हूँ, मैं आपको देख के पहचान सकता हूँ कि दिस इज विजय, बट द फर्स्ट टाइम द ट्रेलर ड्रॉप, आई स्वेयर ब्रो, मैं इनिशियली जस्ट डिडंट लैंड टू मी दैट इट वाज यू, बिकॉज I know that it is not a completely different look or something, but something that you did, and it was a completely different person. And on top of that, the character that you played, the captain of that ship, it's based on what he experienced on that particular time. So many projects have you been a part of, but with this particular series, have you cracked something? There's something that you found.
First of all, thank you, Mantra, for such warm, lovely words. I think I did. Now that I watched it, I am able to feel like कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था जो शायद मेरे कंट्रोल के बाहर था या मेरे काबू के बाहर था, जो कि हो गया. I think sometimes just there was no real effort to make him sound or look like the real life captain. That wasn't never the intention. He never showed me a picture of young Captain Devi Sharan saying कि हमको ये achieve करना है. In fact, for the entire series, the intention was very clear. We're not recreating any of these, we're not imitating any of these characters. So that brief was also there for Captain. But when I met him and I spoke to him and I understood the nature of him and how soft-spoken and how sincere and dedicated and how much integrity he has, I try to kind of keep that energy with me. And I try to get the spirit of the person that I met, and somehow maybe in the portrayal it was there and it connected. So I'm just thankful that this happened, and he was capturing it through the lenses that probably worked, because the camera was always right next to my face, like 3 sides all the time, and there was this green screen in front of me. So
You spent so
when you have 3 cameras, then all your effort is sometimes just to make sure that you never land up your eye in the lens, and you're in the middle of crisis. Lahore khul gaya, and then I'm like, "Idhar camera shit." So I can't. Sorry for the French. But yeah, I had to. Yeah, but as Naseer sir always tells me कि imagination का इस्तेमाल करो. So that came in handy.
True.